Hello Stellars! Welcome back to Tarot PH and meron po tayo ngayong mini readings for everybody. So itong mini readings ito po yung series ko for the month of per month. So yung oracle reading po natin ngayon is para sa mga Gemini, and keep in mind ito po ay general reading para sa Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. I can see here na meron tayong wishes here, and wishes are dreams we can manifest. What is your wish? And we have here, every inch of your body is what I ever want to taste. Sensual. And sabi naman dito, moonlight love, candles, cozy, sweet words. So para po sa mga Gemini out there, I can feel and I can see here na meron kayong tao na talagang sobrang kinagigigilan o talagang sensually kinagigigilan mo tong tao na to, and I think marami sa inyo is are going to pursue this opportunity. Probably physical lang yung act or physical lang yung intention, walang masyadong seryoso, but there is some sort of like medyo parang pa-sweet itong tao na to or pa-sweet ka dito sa tao na to or vice versa. It depends on how it resonates with you. But I can see here na talagang gusto nyo ang isa't isa. Now, tingnan natin ang other readings nitong sa Gemini. We have here 9 of Cups, 6 of Wands, okay, and 5 of Wands. So, yes, definitely, you've been wishing this person kasi may wish fulfillment ka dito na 9 of Cups at meron kang 6 of Wands and 5 of Wands. For some of you, a lot of you, probably a lot of you, itong person na kinagigigilan nyo is someone na fire sign. Okay, like Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. And sobrang meron silang element na talagang hindi mo sila ma-resist or irresistible sila sa paningin ninyo. And for some of you, parang sila yung tao na talagang parang tipo nyo or isang tao na type nyo at gusto nyo i-win itong person na to with the 6 of Wands. Definitely confident ka in approaching this person, but meron ditong mga tao na nagkakagusto din sa tao na to, no? Parang hindi lang ikaw yung nagpo-pursue dito sa tao na to, but there are a lot of people who wants to be with this person in your mind, no? Or probably, alam nila yon, aware sila na gusto mo din yung tao na to, and parang ikaw is in competition with this person. Parang ganito yung nakakita ko. So, this is your mini readings. Gemini, thank you so much for coming here. And I will see you next time sa ating mini readings for your love life. Thank you and love and light. Namaste.